morning, 5th graders. How are you today?
Good.
Well, remember last week we learned a lot about the water and the ocean and how much water there is on Earth. But today we are going to be learning about the importance of clean water. So first off, we're going to start with a little survey. How important do you think clean water is on Earth? Do you think there's a lot of clean water, a little bit? What do you think?
A lot.
A lot of clean water?
Yeah. A lot of ocean water.
All right. Well, now I'm going to show you a quick video on the importance of clean water. So what are some of the things that you noticed about that video? Maybe about the people in the video, maybe about what the water looked like?
It looked dirty and muddy and not clean like the clear water that they showed at the end.
Yeah, so there was a difference. Well, right here you can see the difference between the clean and the dirty water.
Yeah.
So now, just to get some more background knowledge, I have in front of you have an article about the importance of clean water and some things that we can do at home. So I want you to go ahead and take a minute to read that and use your close reading skills to highlight or maybe use sticky notes to note the important parts of that article. And once you're done with that, there's a writing prompt up here that I want you to write a short paragraph that explains the central idea of the article, and I want you to use at least 2 details from the article to support your response. Okay, go ahead. I'll give you a little bit of time to do that. Thanks for reading that. Can someone tell me what they think the main idea of this article was?
I think the main idea was that it's really unsafe to drink water that's not clean, and more people, like children, are dying every single year because they don't have clean water.
Oh wow, that is important. What about you? Did you see anything? Maybe something you highlighted?
Yeah, I highlighted that about like 800 million people on the planet get sick from the water, and that it also, not just the drinking water, but it's hard to grow food, so it probably affects their food too.
Right, that is a good point. Thank you for doing that. So now we are going to be experimenting with making our own water filters to create the cleanest water that we can get out of this. So the materials that we have here we have sand, gravel, dirty water, water filters, rubber bands, cups, and I want you to use these materials to create your own water bottle filter. So, on here we see, on our presentation, we see that there is the word turbidity. The word turbidity is also on your little designer notebook where you're going to design your water bottle filter. Does anyone know what turbidity means? No? Well, as we can see up here, here's an example. Turbidity is a general cloudiness of a liquid, and it's a key to test the water quality. So right here, what would you say the turbidity level of this water is?
Like 250 or 100.
Yeah, so it's kind of dirty. And then down here is 10. So our goal is to use our water filters to get 10 or below the turbidity level. Okay? So go ahead and work as a team and collaborate and decide how you're going to design your water bottle filter.
Okay. Let's see, materials used. Once we make our water bottle. What if we crumple this up with a ball? We put it in here.
To stop the sand?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then let's take a couple rocks.
Do rocks first.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good idea. Maybe one of you can build it and the other one can record the materials that you're using, maybe draw a diagram of what you're making in your designer
rocks
notebook.
and filters. Water bottle.
Cup.
Cup. Let's see.
Do you want my rocks?
Yeah, just do all rocks.
Okay. Because the sand will probably just go right through, right?
Yeah, that's what I think. Okay. Rocks.
Did you draw it?
Yeah.
Okay, so now all of our groups have their design and their filter built.
Mm-hmm.
Can this group share to us what they designed for their water bottle filter?
So for our filter, we decided to just do all rocks, and we felt like the sand would just go right through.
Okay.
So we did all rocks, and then we crumpled up like a water filter thing at the bottom to stop the rocks from going through.
Okay, good idea. And so this group over here, let's see, I see that they used a water bottle and they put the filter on the outside of the water bottle and put a rubber band around. And they used, it looks like, both sand and gravel. So let's now test both of these and see what turbidity level we get.
Okay.
Maybe let's put this in here so that we have a little spilling.
Still looks pretty dark. It looks better, but
Probably still hundreds.
yeah,
just a little bit.
it
Okay,
just got
so
a little better.
a little better than this, it looks like. Okay, well now, you can dump out this.
What was our turbidity result? Like 100?
Yeah. We'll go with 100.
Okay,
Yes.
and we'll just leave this as our sample. So now we can use maybe collaboration from other teams to see, well, maybe I want to do something over there. Maybe they had a good idea. Maybe I'll use that.
Okay.
And now go ahead and design your second one.
Okay, you get to draw this time. I like what the other team did, and they put their water filter on the outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think we're going to do that this time. I'm
Okay.
going to use 2.
Ooh, 2. That might be helpful.
Yeah.
How are you going to secure it? Secure it on there?
Probably with the rubber band.
Okay.
And put it on twice.
Yeah.
Oh, there you
There we go. Okay, so we got our filters on.
Okay.
go. So
And now
now
let's
use
do.
sand,
Should
right?
we use sand? Let's do sand first. They use sand last, but let's do sand first.
Okay.
Did you draw it? You want to draw our
Yeah.
filter?
Okay.
Here we got our sand. And now our rocks. So we fill it all the way up to the top, you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
it too.
I like how you're collaborating with each other. You're both, one's drawing and one's building, and then you switch.
Yep, that's probably good.
Perfect.
Okay.
Here's our second filter.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in here.
Mm-hmm.
Seems like the water's taking a little bit longer to get through.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe that's making it clean. Is it getting through yet? Not yet. More?
I think a little.
No, it looks pretty clear.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
How much more?
Maybe more, yeah.
Yeah, I'll pour some more in.
More?
Yeah. Yeah, it's taking a long time to go all the way through.
Is it just?
Is there any in the water fountain?
Mm-hmm.
Or in the cup? Not yet.
Not
Oh my
slowly.
goodness.
Oh, it's taking a long time.
Maybe that means that it's getting really clean.
Oh,
yeah.
here, and then it
Okay.
slowly going down.
Oh, it takes a long time to get the clear water. Oh, yeah, look at that.
That's pretty
Oh
clear.
yeah, it is. Do you think it's clearer than this?
Yep.
Yeah, there's
Okay,
not
so-
as much gravel at the bottom.
So at the
Yeah.
bottom, we have on our little designer notebook outline, we have a conclusion. What's your conclusion about your two models?
I'd say child 2 produced the clearest, right?
Yeah, I think it's better to put sand and gravel and to do like 2 filters instead of just crumpling it out because it doesn't go through the flip.
Oh yeah, and maybe not all of the water went through the filter and may have
Mhm.
slipped past it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, this is a lot clearer.
Mm-hmm.